Okay, now let's do some warm-up in downward facing dog. Come to downward dog. Palms shoulder widths apart. Keep your feet hip width apart. And just breathe into your belly. Micro bend your knees and push your chest closer to your thighs. Hold there. Keep breathing into your belly. Keep raising your tailbone higher. And breathe slow and deep into your belly. Now place your right foot outside the right palm. Come into lizard pose. Just hold here. If your body allows, you can drop your forearms down. If your body does not allow, just stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3. If you're dropping your forearms down, make sure your back leg is straight. 4 and 5. Again, come on your palms, take your leg back, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe into your belly. Again, micro bend your knees, push your chest closer to your thighs and breathe. Now bring your left foot outside of the left palm. Again, hold here for 5 breaths. Keep breathing. 1, 2, into your belly. 3. If you want, you can drop your forearms down. 4. Make sure your back knee is straight. 5. And come back. Come back into downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And breathe into your belly. Again, micro bend your knees, push your chest close to your thighs, and raise your right leg up to the sky. And breathe here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch. Right leg down, left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And drop the left foot down, drop the knees down, and sit in Vajrasana. Breathe slow and long. And exhale, relax.